Hey, what's up? It's Mark Terry Bellini, and in this video I kind of want to show you where I'm at in the remodel stages of my house. So my plan is to kind of work on one half of the house and live in the other half, and then once this side is done I can just flip and kind of live more on this side and then remodel the other side. So this is where I'm at currently. So right now this is like a hallway that goes down. There is a bedroom here, there is a master bedroom there, and there is a bathroom there, and there's a closet here. I'm basically gonna do from this point down a complete remodel. So I kind of show you where I'm at and what I still need to do. So here is the first bedroom that I have completely stripped down, and it's ready for floor leveler. I need to spray texture on the walls and prime it and paint it and put in a new closet system there. And eventually there's gonna be a new door as well. And then all new trim everywhere and a new light. So still a lot to do in here, but we're getting there. So we come down the hall. This is the master bedroom. I used to actually live in here, but clearly not anymore. So I've put all mud all over the walls in here. And again, this basically just needs to be textured. I'm going to rip up all of this flooring, and it's glued down wood, so it's going to be kind of a pain to, I have to basically take I can show you what I'm going to take. I'm going to take this guy here and start ripping out all this flooring all the way down. So that's going to be interesting to say the least. But yeah, so same thing as the other room. I'm going to do all new baseboards. I'm going to put new outlets in, a new light, probably a fan, possibly new windows. Actually, definitely new windows at some point. But yeah, basically right now I'm just working on finishing up the walls and the texture and everything, and then I'll move on to the flooring. And there is a closet in here that's the same. I actually have a light right here I can grab. So, same idea, rip out the carpet. But that's this. I'm thinking of, so there's the closet. This used to be like a vanity area with a mirror, and the bathroom here, obviously. So what I'm thinking of doing is taking out this wall and taking out this wall and kind of bringing it right in the middle. So the closet will be a little bit bigger and the bathroom will be a little bit bigger. I'll be able to put in a double vanity and a nice large mirror. And I'll have a door to the closet here. It'll be kind of come out a little bit, and then just kind of a barn door slider here, I believe, is what I'm going to do for this. And I'm going to move on to the bathroom eventually. And I'm going to make this into a shower. It's currently like a tub system. I'm going to make it into a shower with like a glass door, new door here. Obviously new vanity, take out the bars, put in a new window. That's about it. And then finally, this is like for linens and stuff. Instead of all this kind of old hardware and all these different kind of drawers and stuff, I think I'm gonna make this probably like maybe two big, larger size doors here. A little bit more modern with modern hardware, because this design kind of seems just a little dated. So we'll update that. I got a scrape popcorn ceiling in here still. I have to mud all these walls still. I obviously rip out all the flooring in here, and then this closet here I have to redo, and this is the creepiest closet you will ever see. It's got a pull string light, and there's got some termite damage there that I'm gonna fix up. There's no more termites now, but they left a little bit of damage. And this closet is creepy and dark and just grody, really, really gross. So I'm gonna completely gut this out, retexture everything, put in a new light, and just make this not near as creepy, basically. And put in a new door as well. So that's a quick update of where I'm at. Clearly it's a lot of work. I'm taking it as I can, day by day. I can only work pretty much in the evenings after I have like a day job right now, so still doing that for now, and then just doing this in the evenings and the weekends. So yeah, just sticking to it. I'm gonna also invite some friends over to help me out with definitely the bathroom, because I don't have a lot of experience with remodeling a bathroom. And then also I'm gonna get some help with laying down the flooring and the floor leveler and all that too. So I'll be sure to document all this and share it with you guys. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.